What is your dream? Most people don't want to do any selling, telling, or explaining, but they want to make money. I do know that. Everybody wants to make money. And what if there was a system? What if there was a science to success? What if there was a tribe, a people that would put it all together, put everything you need under the hood and give you the key, and all you got to do is get in the car and turn it? I want you to DM the person and share this video with you and get started today. If you want to live the laptop lifestyle, spend your days on the rooftops of buildings in metropolitan cities, and drive exotic cars, and travel the world and see your dreams become a reality, then you need to join this tribe. DM the person that shared this video with you and get started today. DM the word HOW, and I believe your life would never be the same. I'll see you on the inside.